in your world, believe it or not, and this is going to impact you and your purchases starting very soon. So you can see on my screen back over here that the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development actually has released a new bulletin as of February 22nd of this year. And in this, what they're going to be doing is they're actually changing the way that you look at mortgage insurance. And this is extremely important because it used to be that the mortgage insurance was going to be a very high 0.85% factor, which I know that doesn't mean a whole lot to everybody, but I'm going to put it in terms that everybody can understand in just a second, okay? So it really does do that. You bring it over here, and it used to be, these are the new highlighted numbers right here, where you can see the 0.5%. I'm going to bring the camera in a little closer so you can see it a little bit better. And you can see right there the numbers associated with it, the 0.5 factor. So this is less than 5% down. It's gone to 55%. You can see that. So less than 5% is going to be 55 basis points, which is actually extremely important because it used to be 0.85. Now that's a huge number as far as a change, because in essence, what was happening is that some people were actually getting priced out of a home with that specific number. And so these pieces are pretty important, and they change if you put 5% down. Now they still are for the term. So in other words, you're not getting rid of it at a point in time in the near future if you're putting less than 10% down. If you put 10% down or more, it goes away in 11 years. Now, typically what we do is we encourage people to refinance. That way you're not going to be dealing with some of these items long term. But here's kind of what this means to you, and I'm just kind of putting this into real quick perspective for you. I'm going to bring over a loan example right here for this one right here, and you can see that with this loan example right there, that the payment differential between the two based off of this. So I'm going to go into the next page and show you the monthly breakdown. So right here, the mortgage insurance now the release date is March of 2023. So March 2023, it's $254 for this house at $375, whereas after March of 2023, it's $164. So it's about a $90 differential. And so why that's important to you, just so you kind of know what that means, is a $90 differential is the difference between approximately $20,000 additional in purchase price. So this is a really big deal of what it's doing, and it's making it certainly much more affordable. So there were two big changes that they made in the last 12 months with FHA. Number one is this one right here with the mortgage insurance. Number two, how they look at student loans, which is for another time. Looking forward to the opportunity of serving you and yours. Don't hesitate to reach out. I'm never too busy for you or your referrals. Thank you.